Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to Worth Guitars. Quick video this morning. Just a little tip to tell you that winter is here and your fretboard is going to need a little love because the heat is on and it's cranking that nice dry air into your house. Your skin starts to itch and you get all dried out from that dry air, right? Because we've got the house closed up and we're just cranking the heat. The fretboard is pretty much the only part of the guitar that does not have a finish on it. So it's affected by moisture leaving and coming in more than any other part of the guitar. The rest of the guitar's got a nice finish on it, right? And it's protected. So what I'm trying to tell you is this. When you have a chance this week, someday soon, take your strings off, clean your fretboard, and put a nice coat of lemon oil or fretboard oil on there. I use this. Comes from Stumac. I believe it's essentially linseed oil. That's what it smells like to me. Put a nice clean coat on there, nice even coat. Let it sit for a few minutes. Let that fretboard soak in that oil and then clean it off real well. Put your strings back on there and you'll be doing your guitar a favor, all right? If you let that fretboard dry out, it's going to shrink because the moisture has left it and your fret ends are going to poke out, right? I just got done dressing this up. Fret ends were poking out. Okay, remember to do that. Keep some oil on your fretboard. All of that thing, right? Okay, that's all I got today. I hope you guys have a great week. Be sure to protect your locals. Protect your locals. I think I meant to say support your locals. Protect them also. All right, we'll see you out there somewhere. Worth Guitars. You guys be good to each other out there, all right? Bye now.